During that period of time, my father was visiting me in the hospital. He was around 75 years old then. One day he was coming to the hospital. Suddenly he felt giddy. During that period of time, he fell down. He tried to get up, he could not. So he also had to be brought to the hospital in a stretcher. And when they x-rayed it, they saw that he had broken the neck of femur bone. That means in that age, even if you operated, he cannot walk at all. He has to, rest of his life, he has to continue in a wheelchair. And in Swami's hospital at that time, there was no orthopedic department. So they felt that it is better father is taken to the hospital in Bangalore. During that period of time, Swami has already left for Ooty. So I had to, who else will take? Nobody else is there. So father on one bed and myself on other bed in a van, we are taken to the hospital. In Swami's hospital in Vrindavan also at that time, there was no orthopedic department. My brother was then working in the military. So for his parents, he could get the medical service. So we had to take him to the Bangalore Military Hospital. So the doctor saw and said that he has to undergo a surgery. He has to undergo a surgery, but they cannot promise whether he can walk or not. So what else? So I wrote a letter to Swami. Swami, we have nobody other than you. Father also has fallen down and he has broken his bone, Swami. They say that he has to undergo a surgery. Swami, you only have to bless. I had sent the letter and the day of surgery was fixed. And just before taking him to the theater, they decided that they will take some X-ray and see. They took one X-ray, second X-ray, third X-ray. They could not find where the breakage was. And father walked out of the hospital. This is the Lord who is with us. What he cannot do, kartum akartum anyatha akartum shakyaha. Whatever he want, he can get it done that way. Only thing is, what Swami asks. Swami asks in turn, only your love and love and love alone. Every moment of our life, it is don't ever think that because I had the physical proximity, Swami took care of me. Absolutely no. Each and every one of you, the moment you call Sai Ram, he is there in front of you. It is just there in front of you. It is faster than your mobile call. At least few numbers you have to press there. Here, just say Sai Ram, and Sai Ram is there holding your hand. Innumerable number of instances. Innumerable. It is not that physically Swami is not there, now you don't have the opportunity.